I dropped my son at school in the morning, continued on to work, and within a couple of hours killed two men. I then went home to be greeted by my son that afternoon with a cheery, "How was your day?" These are some of the impacts that really fascinate me in a war that seems very distant, but in fact is very intimate. My name's Peter Lee. I am the Director of Security and Risk here at the University of Portsmouth, but my real interest is in drones and military drones. In the summer of 2016, I started the research for my book, Reaper Force, Inside Britain's Drone Wars. I interviewed 90 people for the book. The course of those interviews had their own entertaining and sometimes sad and sometimes traumatic moments themselves, because when people spend their lives in and around death, beheadings and rapings and killings and many of the things that have happened in Syria, it has an effect on them, and that leaves a legacy. The biggest effect that this project has had on me is that it has really brought back some of my own experiences from the Iraq War in 2003. Going back into this environment of watching missile strikes and bombings and speaking to people who do this all the time, it then took me back to my own personal place where I'd experienced that it's a hard business, this business of war, this business of killing. The people who do it take it really seriously, and it has effects on them. The most profoundly challenging thing I witnessed was the first time I saw a lethal strike. I watched as a Syrian jihadist on a motorbike was killed by a Hellfire missile. Nothing quite prepared me for watching someone be actively killed in real time before my eyes.